Hi folks, I'm Mike from Metabo Power Tools. I'm here today at Diamond Tool to show you our brand new, world's first and only cordless magnetic drill press. So let's get right to it. What do we think about when we talk about cordless? It's all about portability and versatility. No power, no problem with Metabo cordless. How does this thing all work? Well, let's start with the magnet. It's a rare earth magnet, not the band, but the rare earth magnet that we're going to mechanically flip to engage with our onboard ratchet here. And I'm just going to demonstrate that real quick here. So we relieve the magnet. We can move the tool anywhere we need to on our stock. And then to engage it, we just mechanically flip the magnet over again, and we're fully engaged, ready to go to work. And this, folks, this has 2,500 pounds of pull-away force. I don't care what gym you work at, this is going to stay where it's engaged. If you can do horizontal, vertical, overhead, what does that mean? Job site versatility. As you can see, I just showed you a moment ago that it is a V-shaped base for flat stocks or pipe. No saddle required, so that's going to save you time and money. Also, with the batteries, it comes with two lithium 25.2 lithium ion batteries for long-lasting, maximum power, air-cooled charging technology for reliable and longer service life. It's a quick 30-minute charge, which means less downtime. Now, we guarantee our batteries for 3 years. If it doesn't take a charge, it won't hold a charge, it's no charge to you for 3 years. The question begets, how many holes can we get out of the average battery? It really depends on the thickness and the material and the size of the bit that you're using. On average, what I've been getting is 9/16 bit on 3/8 steel, about 20 plus holes per battery charge. What does that mean? Less downtime and more cost savings to you. So let's talk about a little bit about the mechanics here. In this tool, there's a safety lockout feature for the user safety. So let's say we're on our 25th hole and the battery dies and we need to replace it with a new battery. So I'm just going to demonstrate this for you. So that battery died. We came over, we got our new battery. We put that in, and folks, as you can see the lights flashing, that tells us that the tools recognize that the battery is taken out. We have to remove it from the stock and just reboot it. So again, user safety. So this tool doesn't jump start when we put the battery in. We also have a slip clutch. The safety slip clutch features, if you're going through, say you're going through a 2-inch piece of H-iron and all of a sudden your bit becomes bound in there, you're not going to go for a ride. User safety, and it's not going to burn up the motor. A little bit more about the motor. We have a 2-speed. It's 380 to 680 RPM, which is versatility relative to your bit size. And by the way, it accepts any standard 3/4 Weldon shank. So if you have bits out in the field and you want to use your own bits, absolutely another cost saving to you folks. And by the way, it only weighs 32 pounds, so anybody on the job site can use it. So what does it come with? Let's talk about that. It comes with a 1/2-inch key chuck with key 4-straight shank drill bit, which is a $150 value. Again, adds to the versatility. Comes with a drift key to change from the welded shank to the straight shank. Comes with a removable coolant reservoir, or just use your favorite lubricant, with an OSHA compliant safety strap for additional user safety, centering pin, Allen wrench for changing the bits. And folks, remember, two 25.2 volt lithium ion batteries and an air-cooled charger guaranteed for 3 years. Doesn't take a charge, won't hold a charge, it's no charge, in a waterproof, virtually indestructible Pelican carrying case. When you want the best tools, Metabo's the best choice. Diamond Tools stocks a full line of Metabo tools and equipment. For more information, call 888-TRY-DIAMOND or visit them on the website, diamondtool.net. Metabo, work, don't play.